Kelly, and I'm from the Management Study Guide's content team. In this course, we will talk about Introduction to Supply Chain Management in detail. Let's get started. Let's look at the various products shown below. Have you ever noticed the labels on such products? Where are the majority of such goods manufactured? You will find that many of the goods, such as electronics and white goods, or even clothes, have been manufactured in China, South America, or Mexico. So, many times the cocoa that you buy has come from Africa, or the coffee pods you buy may have come from Brazil. Most of the computers have been shipped out of South American factories, and soft furnishings on the shelves are from India and Hong Kong. Thus, the expanding global markets are redefining the way demand and supplies need to be managed. Global companies are driven by markets across continents. Hence, to keep the cost of manufacturing low, they are forced to set up production centers where cost of raw materials and labor is cheap. Therefore, companies may procure materials globally from various vendors to supply raw materials to their factories situated in different continents. The finished goods out of these different factory locations then pass through different chains of distribution network involving warehouses, exports to different countries or local markets, distributors, retailers, and finally to the end customer. Supply chain management is also called the art of management of providing the right product at the right time, right place, and at the right cost to the customer. Let us learn about supply chain management in detail. Let's review the course objectives. Explain the importance of SCM in an organization. Define what is supply chain management. Explain supply chain network design, or SCND. Explain what is demand planning. Describe the role of IT in SCM. Describe the role of logistics in SCM. Explain what is global supply chain management. Explain what is finished goods supply chain. Explain what is reverse logistics. Explain what is vendor managed inventory, or VMI. Describe the functions of warehouse management. Explain factors of warehouse operational efficiency. Explain steps to improve throughput of process chain. Explain key issues of supply chain management. List tips for effective supply chain management. Definition of supply chain management. A supply chain is a system of organizations, people, activities, information, and resources which are involved in moving a product or service from supplier to customer. As per definition, SCM is the management of a network of all business processes and activities involving procurement of raw materials, manufacturing and distribution management of finished goods. SCM is also called the art of management of providing the right product at the right time, right place, and at the right cost to the customer. Demand planning. The objective of the demand planning process is to forecast the demand for products so that this demand can be fulfilled through existing inventory, manufacturing, and new purchases. Demand planning is done for a product at a location for a given time bucket. Demand planning is probably the most important supply chain process in that it drives almost all other processes directly or indirectly towards fulfilling the demand. Logistics is the backbone on which supply chains are driven. Logistics refers to management of flow of goods and supplies involving information, data and documentation between two entities or points. Logistics plays an important role in post-procurement function of delivery of raw material from the supplier to the point of production and finished goods supply chain management, from the good of dispatch from factory to the point of delivery to the customer. Finished goods supply chain. Finished goods supply chains are very dynamic and are the backbone of a good sales organization. A number of departments are responsible to work in coordination and seamlessly to ensure finished goods reach the markets and the customers. Logistics and supply chain departments have to work in tandem with or aim to be ahead of marketing and sales and ensure that when a product is announced for sale by marketing, the products are made available at all nook and corner of the city, state, and country. A situation where the customer goes to a sales counter to place an order and the product is not available cannot and should never happen as a rule. Advantages of reverse logistics. The following are the advantages of reverse logistics. Number 1, reverse logistics offers several advantages to the company in terms of both tangible and intangible benefits. In the first instance, companies are able to retrieve defective equipment and parts, which are either salvaged or refurbished, and thus reclaim value out of the defective parts. Number 2, distributors are more likely to be open to stocking all fast-moving as well as slow-moving stocks. Also, the packaging and defective materials are collected and recycled, thereby generating scrap value back from the company. Why is SCM difficult? SCM is difficult because uncertainty is inherent to every supply chain due to the following: travel times, breakdowns of machines and vehicles, weather, natural catastrophe, war, local politics, labor conditions, border issues. This is just a demo of the complete course. With every course, you get to view the course content online, download the PowerPoint presentation, and get the course completion certificate. With new courses added regularly, we offer a continuous learning platform. Join our premium membership plan and get access to unlimited courses. All of our plans are backed up by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. We are so confident that you'll enjoy the membership that we're willing to let you try at our risk, not yours.